Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. In the beginning, you can connect your keyboard with PC via 2.4G transmitter, Bluetooth or cable. If you want to connect it via transmitter or Bluetooth, you have to switch this button to Wi-Fi mode. If you want to connect it via cable, simply switch it to USB mode. If it's in Wi-Fi mode, simply connect this USB transmitter to your PC, or press and hold this button plus Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3 for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode on your keyboard. If your keyboard is out of the battery, you have to charge it via USB cable. So let's connect it via USB cable. Firstly, let's connect the cable to PC, and now take a look at the bottom of the keyboard. Right here we've got this USB port. This part of the cable goes inside only one way. Push it to the end, and now you can redirect and organize the cables, for example like this, here, and it's done. In the end, don't forget to switch to USB mode or the wireless mode, depending on what you've chosen. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.